I used to go to Trader Joe's all the time for flowers, and we don't have a Trader Joe's where I am, so I'm not always that impressed with what I see at the grocery store. So when they have them available, I am going to take advantage of it, and this is one of those moments. I thought the flower season for peonies was completely over. I purchased a couple of bunches, and then they lasted, well, actually, was it just one? Maybe it was just one. And it lasted for so long. Okay, maybe a week and a half. And then this last time, just a few days ago, actually, I saw that they had some more, but clearly they were not in great shape. They seemed kind of old, and I decided to get them anyway. So I have been clipping them every single day just to see if I could possibly bring them back to better health. But what I have gotten more often than not is that they kind of look like this. I'll show you up close. And I've been nervous about whether or not these other ones are going to open up. Now, I've had some in the past that never opened, but then some that did in fact open. So what I'm trying to do is just clip them daily, but then again, you have to worry about clipping them too much, and then you end up running out of room with your vase. Like right now, this one, I'm not gonna be able to clip anymore. So anyway, I went back to the store yesterday for something else, and they had so many. And then I thought, no, I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm just going to be happy with what I have. But I just could not pass it up. It's like you have to take advantage when you can, and so I am. And we have our friends coming today. I think that they will be here any time now. I need to go freshen up their bathroom, put some fresh towels in there, and I also want to leave a beautiful little vase of flowers for my friend Marcella, because she loves pink, and she loves roses too. Does she love peonies? I don't know. I can't remember, but she loves pink, and so I think that this will just really make all the difference to have in there for her to enjoy. So I'm just going to make up a few things and just be able to enjoy these while I can, because I really don't purchase flowers very much anymore. If you know me from before, you know that I used to go to Trader Joe's all the time for flowers, and we don't have a Trader Joe's where I am, so I'm not always that impressed with what I see at the grocery store. So when they have them available, I am going to take advantage of it, and this is one of those moments. So I need to get these in water, need to get them clipped, and start placing them around. It's the little things that really bring so much joy to our days. Now that I've placed these all around, and by the way, I cannot have any live flowers down where the dogs can get them, or even, I want to say up on that counter where the sink is, because Thomas gets up there all the time. So I have to be mindful of that. But because I put it kind of in front of that green plant that's already there and the soap dispenser, and it's just kind of right in there and it's lower than it, I don't think that he will get into that necessarily, but we will have to see. I definitely didn't want to put a whole bouquet over there, because if you remember what he did with all of my flowers from the flower farm that I got. So I think that this is a nice little addition here. Now I'm going to get the cleaners and the towels that I need and go down to the casita with that little bunch of flowers that I put together for Marcella, and set everything up down there. So let's go clean up. Okay, in the bathroom, things definitely need to be cleaned up. Apparently I didn't get all the towels. I thought I asked for help with some of the kids to come and bring me all the dirty towels. So, and then, and two, I thought there was extra toilet paper down here when our other guests were here, but that was not the case. So I gave her this to bring down here. And anyway, I'm going to put all of the toilet paper in here, do a wipe down of everything, toilet, etc. This is what I had my daughter decide which one would be best to bring down here. So she said this one. So that will be their little flower arrangement down here with the soap, flowers. Does that look good with both, or is that just too much? I kind of like the green in the background in it to kind of be a trio thing, but you also don't want to get where it's like too much clutter, and I already have this little lamp here. But what's really nice about having this lamp here is that it just makes it feel cozier walking in here, instead of, you know, the bright overhead lighting or even the bright light up there. I don't know. I just enjoy it. What's sad to me is that there isn't a plug in this space. So I felt like it would have looked nice on there as well. And then the other thing is that the bed is haphazardly made by my daughter. So I'm going to redo that, just kind of put everything on there the way that it needs to be. Turn on the lights. I need to turn this AC unit on too, because it is rather warm in here. Let's see. It'd be nice if I took a little bit of time to wipe down the wall, the glass too, because little hands have been in here. And just straighten things up. I need to water this fiddle leaf fig. I can probably refill this and get some fruit down here. They also love, you know, when I have little snacks and things like that down here. They bring their own stuff too, but yeah, I just need to straighten things up down here. So, and then I saw all this stuff down here. I don't know where that came from. Oh, maybe one of the boys before was using it when we had a family down here. But I also see a lot of debris on the carpet. It's just like, okay, it's time to clean the casita. So that's what I think I will do. Time to get to work. I think I only have about 45 minutes maybe to get all of this done. so we have the towel, we have towels, so that's all done. Now I want to get a few things for the kitchen, and I need to make, I didn't turn on the AC unit in here, so need to do that in here. I'll turn it down to there. Okay, so just a few things left to get for the kitchen area, just a little welcome tray, and yeah, and then I'll be ready.
Leaners. Stop. Oh.